Welcome to GrowGolder tutorial on how to use Google Calendar to manage your daily tasks. With Google Calendar, you can keep track of all your appointments, meetings, events in one place. And set reminders to make sure you don't forget anything. Before getting started, just check the Google Calendar app on your phone. And if you don't have one, download it using App or Play Store. Here is the link to how you can download apps from Play Store. Once downloaded, you can check the Google Calendar icon, which appears like this. Now let's get started. Open Google Calendar, and based on the default setting, you will see either day, week, or month on the screen. For this tutorial, we will switch to day view. You can do this by clicking the three strikes on the top left corner of the mobile screen and then select day. Now, based on the activity type and time you want to schedule, we can add the event to the calendar. Let's take an example of going for morning walk at 7 a.m. So scroll to the time slot, tap anywhere on the screen at that time slot range. I will click near 7 a.m. and tap on this pop-up. In the title, I will add morning walk. I check the start time, end time, and adjust it, so here you see start time is currently set at 7:30 a.m. I will just tap on the time and set it to 7 a.m. and similarly, I will set the end time at 7:30 a.m. Now, if it is one-time event, I can just save it, but because I want to set a routine to go for regular morning walk, I will click on Does Not Repeat and set it to every day. Now what if I want to only go say Monday through Saturday, then I can click Custom and select the days. In the custom screen, you can also set the time limit on when this should end. So, I will set it to Monday through Saturday and click on Done. Then under Notifications, choose how much time before the event you want to receive a reminder. I want it 10 minutes before. Done. Click Save to create the event. Now the event will be automatically added to your calendar on a regular basis. Repeat this process for any other daily tasks you want to manage, such as calling your children, reading, taking medicine, or talking to a friend. And that's it. With these simple tips, you can use Google Calendar to manage your daily tasks and stay organized. Thank you.